This activity list starts today, December 4th, and it's due this Friday, December 8th. The first activity says read to self and practice your power goal. You have to do this 3 times this week. Set the timer for 20 minutes each time. For work on writing this week, the first activity says choose one prompt card from the resource area. Then write an opinion 4-square plan answering the question on the card. You're doing this on your own independent. Color in the reflection when you're finished. After you've done your 4-square, the next activity says using your 4-square plan, write an opinion draft answering the question from your prompt card. Don't forget an opening sentence, transition words, and a conclusion. This is independent. Set your timer for 20 minutes. Reflect when you're finished. Instead of read to someone this week, we're doing reading comprehension. Required. Get the paper from the resource area. Make sure your answer is written in RAPS format and you have complete sentences. This activity will be on the book, Do I Need It or Do I Want It? So you will also need to grab that book. This is independent for 20 minutes. Reflect when you're finished. Optional this week, so you don't do it until you're finished with everything else, says complete the Ask and Answer Questions worksheet in the resource area. You can do this on your own or with a pair. Reflect when you're finished. For listen to reading this week, you have to find an informational text. It says listen to an informational text on RazKids on your level. What is the title? Write the title on the line. And then instead of doing a quiz, it says, what was the main topic of your book? Write the topic on the line. This is independent for 15 minutes. Reflect. For foundational work skills this week, green readers are doing the worksheet More Prefixes. Blue readers are doing the worksheet Prefixes. Red readers are doing the worksheet Prefixes, Suffixes, Root words. White readers are doing prefixes, root words, suffixes. This is required for 20 minutes on your own, independent. Reflect when you're finished. An optional for this, when you're finished with it, is choose 5 words from the Fluency poster to include in a story on notebook paper. This is on your own. Reflect when you're finished. For social studies this week, you have a choice to read or listen. It says read Native American, Keeping the Past Alive in the resource area, or listen to Native American, Keeping the Past Alive. So you would scan the QR code to listen to that. Then answer the questions in the resource area. You can also have the questions read to you to answer them by scanning the QR code. This is on your own or with a pair. Write your buddy's name on the line. Reflect when you're finished. Good luck this week.